Okay.
Okay, Mama. I was just calling you, checking on you.
Okay. I'm
All right.
doing okay.
Rosa Pascal has lived in Lonsdale most of her life.
A real long time.
But 2 years ago, everything changed.
2 years ago, your house was cut in two when a tree fell on it.
Her house was not inhabitable.
Everything went down. My very, very important stuff, it went down.
That tree landed in her bedroom, the very place she would have been if not for what she calls a
It
blessing.
really is. I'd have been dead. They'd have been picking a tree up off of me.
With nothing to pack but herself, Rosa moved out of her fully paid off house into an apartment.
When they picked up the tree, I didn't have nothing.
But now she has something again. A house built on the same property she and her late husband once shared, this time brand new.
Hey, I'm happy. It make my day. I'm happy. I got a peace of mind.
The rebuild was made possible through Knoxville's Housing Rehabilitation Program, a city initiative that helps residents repair or even replace homes damaged beyond living conditions.
The best way to prevent people from struggling is to help them stay in the homes where they currently are, even if that means constructing a new home from scratch.
For Rosa, this fresh start is an answered prayer, yet another blessing from above.
I said I got a blessing all the way around. Yes.
Blessings on blessings.
Yes.
The program is open to qualified homeowners whose properties are no longer safe to live in. Information on how to apply and who's eligible is available on our website. John.
Sarah Ottman, a great day for her. Thank you.